Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Stock Market Daily Update. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Today on my Telegram channel, I had spoken of two stocks, PVR and Laurus Labs. PVR had an initial upper freeze at 10%, whereas Laurus Lab also had an upper freeze at 10%. At 10:22 am, I had updated that if the highs are broken for both the stocks, the upside will be good and there are high chances of it hitting the 10% upper freeze. So if you wish to follow me on my Telegram channel, the link is given in the description below. So let's get to the analysis. What were the different trades taken by me and what were my exit points? The first trade taken by me was on Laurus Labs. Laurus Labs in the first 15 to 20 minutes of the market opening had gone above 5%. I expected some retracement even if it had to do a 10% upper circuit. So at these levels somewhere around here I had taken a short position. And as the prices started coming down, 50% I exited at these levels somewhere around here. The remaining 50% I held on mainly because I thought it will go below 1394 levels. So when the prices actually went lower than that, I exited the remaining 50% at somewhere around 1392 levels. Somewhere around these levels right here. The second trade was again a scalping trade on PVR Limited. So at these prices somewhere around here, I expected there might be a retracement in the stock. I had short sold the stock somewhere around these levels and captured 5-point movement on the downside at these levels here. This was an ultra short scalping trade which was done on a 1-minute time frame. Post which I expected if there is a breakout, there are high chances it will hit the 10% upper freeze at 1211 levels. So when I saw this candle building up, I had taken a long position in PVR Limited somewhere around here. Just looking at the price itself, it was bound to touch 1211 levels. And mainly the stock was also backed with news. So I had kept my exit points at these levels here. When the stock hit, if you see here, if you see the highs of these are 1211. The stock hit the initial upper freeze and I had exited there. The stock did go higher, but I did not trade this again. My next trade was on Laurus Labs. So I had expected if these highs are taken out, that is 1408 levels are taken out, there were great chances that this will give a up move. So I had taken positions at the break of 1408 levels, and as and when the prices started moving up, I had exited somewhere around 1421 and 1422 levels somewhere around here. Yes, the price did still go up higher, but I did not expect it to move so fast in such a small time. So the next trade which I took on Laurus Labs was in loss. So when I saw this candle building up, I'd like to show this on the 1-minute chart. So when this candle built up and there was some price correction, there was a doji formed. I expected the price can be driven up from there. And I entered my positions at these levels somewhere around here. At 1442 levels, I entered. And I had expected if the prices come below these ranges, I would have exited completely. And I had also specified if the prices are below 1433 levels, I will exit the stock. At this candle right here, the prices went below that and I exited the stock bearing 9-point loss. I was also watching the stock continuously, mainly because if 1450 levels were taken out, I expected the stock to hit the upper circuit which was at 1460.85. So I had placed my order right above 1450 levels. Here also if you see, the prices tested 1450 but then came back down. At this candle, when the prices started moving up, I had taken my final position where the stock went and hit the upper circuit where I exited the stock completely. Finally, I also updated about Reliance. Reliance formed a double bottom here. If you see this, there was a double bottom. From here, at these levels, I expected the price starting to move up. I did not initiate any trades, but I just updated this on my Telegram. And that's why I thought I'll show to you guys on charts why that update was provided. So there was a double bottom, there was a price range break, and the price started moving up. So there were multiple trades taken today, mainly on PVR and Laurus Labs. I expected both of them to touch 10%, which was the upper freeze for Laurus Labs, and that was the initial upper freeze for PVR Limited as well. In one of my trades, I got caught in a false breakout, which I showed you on the 1-minute chart, which hit my stop loss. Post which, again, the recovery was done when the stock price moved above 1450 levels. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up icon. Do subscribe to Mostly Bearish if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching my videos.